What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Not back, but welcome to my channel. So, this is my channel. You do not know my name. You do not know my face. But today we're gonna play Subway Surfers. This is like 5th or 6th time I'm playing Subway Surfers. Very fun. Not actually. Theme music, okay. Shut up. Huh? See, so I'm going to lead the board. See, I'm still in bronze. I need to take over these 3 figures. This guy Abdul, 253, 154. I need to beat Sushil. Or else this Pratima, stupid, MD, Manish, Sujok Patel, Samir Puna, Krishna, Ayat, Pinky. And it's me. So we're doing it. I'm using 0 headshots. It's gonna be boring for some while. Bababooey. Yes, sir. It's so slow paced, I guess, at the start. Especially if you're a gamer who's, used to adrenaline, action and all that stuff. Adrenaline Rush is just so good, bro. J. And there's R. Rex. Okay, I don't care though. I'm gonna beat my own score. I want to. 1 run, 1 score. We're not using head starts. Neither are we using score boosters. We're gonna do it all fair and square. I'm gonna force some power-ups to come across the way. Not my mistake. Gingerbread Man. I remember that one like poem or thingy. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the Gingerbread Man. X. E equals to MC square. I love gaming. So guys, for the time being right now as I am playing, I request you all to please like, share and subscribe. It means the whole world to me. For me as an aspiring YouTuber, I have a good amount of subscribers. This was before I deleted all my videos for some reason. Actually, I don't know, it was my mom. Cause she said that. My mom was like, you're not uploading videos anymore. So as of now, you guys, neither do you know my name nor face. So my goal is minimum goal right now is to get to 100 subscribers. Real goal is to get to 1 million, which many people have obtained. But I really want to get 100. Because right now I'm stuck at 65, I guess. As of now. Just so boring. Satisfying swipes. Baba booey. Ah. Oh my god. Oh no.
Thousands of owners in Delhi NCR find a verified
Yeah, so uninterrupted viewing I want for some of you, you know. I by mistake clicked on the ad one and then had to watch it. Even though like in most ads there were option to cancel, and I could have started a new one, but then I didn't want to. So what I'm saying is that okay, done. It's so easy. Just because of silly mistakes, you know. Oh no, I'm missing some coins. Ah. Oh no. Oh god. But why did they make the security guard fat? Yes, sir. Ah. That just gives a huge boost. Oh, it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no. Ah. 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 Too high. Oh no. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. What's this robotic voice? Ow. What the hell was that? Why is this fat man behind us? Okay, that's a bit wrong. I'm fat shaming. Oh my god, what the hell is happening with this? Huh? As I said, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. It means the world to me. 2x multiplier. Oh my god, no. That was close. Huh? I'm gonna do everything to get this prize. I'm gonna beat my high score. No matter what happens! Bruh. Hello. Ah. Oh God. So what I'm trying to do here is oh my God. No. Let's go. So what I'm thinking is that please guys, I'm saying this again, like, share and subscribe. It means the world. I'm sorry it's getting irritating, but please. And also turn on the notifications bell. Get to know what videos has come up. What? Let's go. Now, how did I avoid the jumpy super sneakers? Oh my God, no. Towards multiplayer, let's go. This is getting so hype, fast paced. I'm gonna beat my records. Bam! Let's go. What is happening with me? Oh, God damn it. What was that? I equipped my hoverboard and then... Yes, I got the Great White Shark hoverboard. Gingerbread man. See, this is the fast-paced adrenaline action, you know? It's not that fast-paced, it's slow. Very slow. Indeed. I'm gonna beat my own record, no matter what happens. Say hey, jingle bells, jingle bells. Even though it's almost the new year, everyone loves jingle bells. Ah. What is this, train station? Oh God, I can barely control my fingers. Ah, God. Ha! Oh my God. Oh my God, that was close. Oh God. Next time I'm gonna try a book review. Or is that too late? You guys tell me. Write in the comments.
Thousands of owners in Delhi NCR.
So for the inconvenience. Okay guys, so oh my god, no. What the hell was that? So guys, I'm thinking that I should end the video here. I sincerely ask you guys, I plead that you guys like, share and subscribe. I request you. It's every gamer's dream to get a lot of subscribers. So please, 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 don't leave me. I've seen some statistics, and most of you who are watching this video are not subscribed. Please subscribe. Actually, you know, since this is my first video, you're guessing how can I see the statistics? Well, remember, some of my videos got deleted. Yeah, so whatever. What I'm saying is that please subscribe. It means the world. Whew. So what I'm saying is, it's the dream of every gamer. So what I'm saying is that statistics can be viewed by anyone. What I'm saying is that just have a channel. So guys, I'm ending this video right here. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Again, it means the world to me. Thank you. Bye bye.